Hello guys, this is Vysh. So today episode number 42, January 15th. So it's more than a 1 month that we started the Plum series, and make sure that you watch every episode because we are doing a lot of subjects and a lot of current affairs which is needed for UPSC students. Okay, 2023, 24, 25, whichever year you're preparing, all these things will be helpful for you. And there are the foundation videos which will actually guide you and tell you how you can prepare for UPSC by sitting at home itself. So WhatsApp me at this number and you will get all the foundational videos and the remaining processes to do a free kind of learning for UPSC. So the first question for today is Logistics Exchange Memorandum of Agreement, okay, is related to India and which country? Okay, this keeps appearing in the news. So France, USA, Israel, or Japan. So LEMOA agreement is a very popular agreement among India and one other country. So which country are we talking about? So here the answer will be USA. Okay, USA has 4 to 5 important agreements for logistics, for defense, for military, for communication, for space. There are many 5-6 agreements, and they based on how close they are with different countries, they will be signing each one of them. India has signed, I think, 4 out of 5, and the fifth one is also almost done. So that means India is a very crucial partner for USA. Okay, so try to find out which are the other agreements as well. LEMOA is one of the earliest one which we signed during, I think, the last government and Manmohan Singh time of government. So you can go and find out about that. Okay, so LEMOA is related to India and USA. Okay, it's a military agreement between India and the US Armed Force that provides for basic terms, conditions, and procedures for logistics supply, supports, and services, and also for training and medical services and all these things. Okay, it was signed in August 2016. Okay, so it is in the BJP government only that it got finalized. So now if you see here, a US Navy ship is being repaired for the first time in an Indian shipyard, and this is the reason why we are asking this question. Okay, because this is done as per the LEMOA agreement which is there between India and USA. Okay, so the first time a US Navy ship is being repaired under this agreement. So basic other details about what is the ship and all, UPSC usually don't ask, but you should know the details like LEMOA is the reason behind it, and it is a Hindu article. Now the second question is, which of the following are true about Bharat Bill Payment System? So Bharat Bill Payment System, BPPS, you would have already heard. So it is conceptualized by the central bank. It is owned and operated by National Payment Corporation of India, Bharat Payment Limited. So it's a two statement type question. Okay, one only, two only, both one and two, neither one or two. So whenever it is two statement type question, if you have no idea about the topic, then you better should not attempt. Okay, because both the statements you have to make it correct. There is no elimination or something which is the options will help you. You have to know both the statements individually. Okay, so here they are asking for which of the following are true, and both of them are true. Okay, both 1 and 2 is the answer. So it is conceptualized by central bank, and this NPCI, BB, and BBL. Okay, this one is the one who is owning and operating it. The system offers interoperable and accessible bill payment services digitally. Okay, so any kind of bill, electric bill, gas bill, water bill, whatever, you can do through this system, and payment modes are available including UPI now. Okay, so this is available in residents in India only. Okay, so this kind of things is what UPSC can pick up and ask. So by the time you give your exam, you should see whether this is again expanded to other users as well. Okay, so recently RBI has proposed for to allow this to process cross-border inbound bill payment. This will help the NRIs who face challenges in paying utility bills in India. Okay, so if it is accepted, it will benefit the NRI. So that accepted or not, that you have to wait, and you have to follow current affairs and know by the time you give exam. Okay, whichever year you are giving, by that time whether it is got implemented or not. Okay, so NPCI, what it is a specialized division of RBI under the parent head of Ministry of Finance. It was established in 2008 to operate the retail payment and settlement systems in India. Okay, so it's a Financial Express article. Question number 3. Which of the following are true about Open Network for Digital Commerce Initiative? Okay, this ONDC network is very popular and too much in the news now, so you should know. It is based on open sourced methodology. This platform was recently launched by Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade in 2022. Giants like Microsoft, Amazon, Flipkart are opposing the ONDC. So this is a current affair oriented question, and about technology also you can tell. So 1 only, 3 only, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 only. So if you know any of them, any of the statement, you can eliminate some and come to the answer easily. Else if you don't know, again it will be difficult for you. So ONDC, you should know. Right now, digital commerce means what? You are buying something online and all. So it is mostly by Amazon and Flipkart, and so they may or may not oppose. But Microsoft, will it oppose? That is where you have to think. Okay, so here if you eliminate 3, you will get to the answer. Okay, you have to eliminate this one and you have to eliminate this one, because Microsoft is not opposing. Microsoft has actually joined. Okay, Microsoft has actually joined the ONDC network, and that is why answer is 1, 2 only. Okay, it is an open source methodology and it is launched by the Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade in 2022. Okay. So Microsoft is the first big technology company to tie up with the government for ONDC platform. So actually we have this, when one industry is doing something, ruling a particular sector, we call it monopoly. But here it is like the duopoly. Okay, duopoly of Amazon and Flipkart. They are the ones who are ruling the Indian e-commerce market. So to break that, to counter that, we have this new ONDC network. Okay, so here many companies are joining ONDC. Microsoft is the biggest one till now which has joined. That is the whole idea. Okay, so Paytm is the host for the buyer surface side interface, and such details you can see here which other companies are involved. But this is what is happening to counter the duopoly of Amazon and Flipkart. Now question number 4. Hendra, Cedar, Mojang and Ghanaian seen in news refers to what? Okay, so this type of question have come last year also, and that time the answer was, I think, tribal languages. So tribal languages, musical instruments, forest dwellers, zoonotic viruses. So here these 4 terms fall under which category? We have modeled it exactly on the UPSC lines, and this is a thing which is there in the news item also. So here answer will be answer D, zoonotic viruses. So in China, virus after virus, new things are coming. So like Langia was discovered recently, and again new will come. So it's a type of Henipa virus. So it is Nipah virus you would have already heard. So this is a Langia Henipa virus or LAV. It was detected in Shandong and Henan provinces in China and infected many people. So this is a very causing serious illness in animals and humans. So it's very important for you to know. So prior to this, other in the same category, these things are there which I asked you in question. Okay. Hendra, Cedar, Nipah, Mojang, Ghanaian, everything. Okay. Purposely Nipah I did not put in the options because Nipah you will know. That is why I put the other difficult terms. Okay. Because UPSC will do exactly that. So that will cause fever and other problems and all. People have to be isolated. People have to be tested. Everything. Just like the Nipah, Corona and all. It is a very complicated thing. Okay. So that is why you have to make a note of all these things. Because one time if they ask in prelims, that's all. After that, after 2-3 years and all, they will not ask this. Okay. For this year only it will be important. So question number 5, which of the following are true about Chevalier de Legion honor? Okay, so it's an honor given by someone. So what are the things which are true about it? It's a French government highest civilian award. Napoleon Bonaparte had set up the honor in 1800s. J.R.D. Tata was the first Indian to receive this order. Okay, so it's a very important thing which some country is giving, and whether Indian received is J.R.D. Tata. So 1 only, 2, 3 only, 1, 2 only, or 1, 2, 3. So here the answer will be C. Okay, that is 1, 2 only. J.R.D. Tata was not the one who first received it. He has got this actually, but he is not the first Indian to receive it. So if you see French government's highest civilian award, Napoleon Bonaparte set up in 1802. So these two are true. Okay, so it's given for excellent civil or military conduct. Earlier it was only for Christians, then it was expanded outside also. Mahendra Pratap Singh of Udar was the first Indian to receive it in 1918. Okay, after that 40 Indians have been awarded this honor. Okay, many people who are now living have got it. Okay, like J.R.D. Tata, Satyajit Ray, E. Sridharan, Amitabh Bachchan, Lata Mangeshkar, Shah Rukh Khan, Kamal Hassan. So many actors, even Ratan Tata has got it, Azim Premji has got it. So it's a very important thing. Now the latest news is Shashi Tharoor has got it. Okay, that is why this question has been asked. Okay, because UPSC will not ask this. Maybe SSC and PSC will ask like who of the following got it, and they'll put options like Shashi Tharoor, Lata Mangeshkar, like that they'll put. But in UPSC, they will ask you this factual information about the award. Okay. So these were the 5 questions. Please see to it that you are practicing as many questions as possible, because everyone who has become topper of UPSC has did the newspaper daily, have joined a good test series, they have solved the previous year questions, they have learned from good test series like Vysh IAS. So you have to join any test series which you believe is giving you high quality questions, and then you will surely clear. Okay, because only the serious aspirants are clearing, and I want you to be that serious aspirant. We have packages for all the current affairs, polity, geography, whatever subject you need, okay, including economic survey. We have everything ready for you. You just have to purchase it and practice it. And so that practice when you do, okay, based on how dedicatedly you do and continuously you do, you are going to succeed in UPSC. Okay, it will not take more than 1 attempt or 2 attempts if you seriously practice. So see to it that you are contacting us, staying in touch with us, watching our foundation. I'll come up with the next video tomorrow again with another plum series. Thank you and have a nice day.